Hi kids, welcome back to our class. How are you my dears? I hope all of you good and healthy. In the last class, we discussed about we need air to breathe, plants need air to breathe, animals need air to breathe. Okay my dears, shall we start today's section? Good. Kids, do you know fire needs air to burn? Let's do an activity. Kids, you should observe carefully. Let's start. Good. Take 2 lighted candles and cover 1 candle with a bell jar. Kids, what is covered with a candle? Good. Bell jar. The flame goes off after some time. Kids, can you say why is it happened? Good. Because it didn't get air to burn. Kids, look the other candle. What do you observe? Good. This candle continues to burn. What is the reason? Because it gets air. So, we can understand fire needs air to burn. Kids, do you understand this activity? Very good. Now, we discuss about uses of air. Are you ready? Good. Kids, do you know air is present everywhere? Kids, we discussed about wind in the previous class. Do you remember what is wind? Yes, very good. Moving air is called wind. Moving air, that is the wind has great force. Wind helps to move sailboat. Air is used to fill hot air balloon to fly in the air. Air helps to flying kite. Football and tire tube are filled with air. Points to remember. First point, moving air is called wind. Second point, fire needs air to burn. Third point, air is everywhere. Fourth point, a tire tube is filled with air. Kids, did you understand? What are the uses of air? Good. Kids, next class we will discuss about next topic. Thank you.